Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course for today guys, I just want to show you a super cool app, and this app will allow you to make basically unlimited free calls. Alright, so I'll be showing you an app that allows you to make free calls as well as text. And usually you can text unlimited a number of times. Calls are also unlimited. Alright, we're gonna get into the app. The app in question is called Text Now. You can basically go, once you have the internet, simply go online. Once you have the internet, simply launch Google Play and go online. Once you're there, just type in Text Now. I have mine already installed, and just go ahead and hit install. As you see open here, mine says yours will say install, and once you install, just simply go ahead and launch the application. Alright, once you launch the app guys, you'll notice that of course this is the interface for the first time launch. For the first time launch guys, you're gonna realize that you have to sign up. You can just go through the motion of placing the information in, or you can use your Google account. If you use your Google account, it will only take a few seconds and you should be up and operational. Also, if it asks you to use your location for a number, you can do that if you want a local number, or of course I recommend that you use the US number. Currently I have a US number in effect, and of course I've been using this to make calls, and of course the calls are crystal clear. As long as you have a very good internet connection, calls will go through and everything works as they should. Just to show you here. Alright, so I'm going to send a text message here. And alright guys, as I said before, it was working. This morning I made several calls and so on, and they all were received. For example here, if we check out the number here, showing you around the same time that it was sent that it was received, and this indicates that it's working fine. I was also able to make some calls, outgoing calls, several outgoing calls. And of course, you must be wondering what's the catch. And of course, the catch in this case is that Alright guys, so if you're wondering what's the catch with Text Now, the app itself is free. Sign up is easy. You do get a number. To keep the account active, you do need to use it from time to time to keep the number. If not, the number will pass on to somebody else, which is quite easy. All you gotta do is just use it regularly, or at least once per month or so, to remember the frequency. Another thing to keep in mind too guys with Text Now is that you can call unlimited to Canada and the USA. So once the number is in Canada and USA, you can make unlimited calls. That's to a landline or to a cell phone, and it won't matter as the calls will go through. Great for persons outside the US, could also work in other cases as well. And of course guys, you can send text message to almost anybody, whether or not they are in the US or outside the US. So you can just check out this app for yourself and mess around with it a bit. It's Text Now, and it's a cool application to have on your phone. And of course you can secure your number right now, your virtual number, and of course you can keep that number and use it to make calls to any US service or person in the US or so on. Alright guys, I got now on blog quick tips. Now quick tips basically showing you an application or app that allows you to make free phone calls and text using this simple application. Alright, Ricardo got the same. Bye until next time. Bye.